Hello guys, Micah Outdoor Living Guy. I'm going to start a little bit of a different series here, and I want to talk with you about how we can create the perfect backyard, in fact your perfect backyard space, and how to create that. So I'm going to be interviewed today. They're going to be asking me questions about what they think a perfect backyard space, what it takes to create a perfect backyard space. And I'm going to answer the questions and let you see this, but we're going to do this in a pretty cool way where we're going to answer each question with a different video. So we're going to basically go through a whole series of questions, and then we're going to let you see it from the very start, the planning stage, all the way through to the design stage, and then what we would recommend on implementing from each phase after that. So hopefully by the end of this, you will be educated on what to do with your outdoor space and how to plan your personal backyard space. So that's what we're really trying to do today. Is we're going to empower you to create your perfect backyard space from start to finish. So here we go, we're going to start talking to you all about how to start even planning your outdoor living space. Now, this might be where you're at. You might be sitting watching this video right now. You might be looking at your backyard space thinking, what should I do? What can I do? Look at some of these photos, in fact, right here. You see it's just a blank slate. It's a blank backyard with grass and flower beds. But how do we turn this space into a beautiful outdoor living space that's going to draw you out, that's going to get you outside? And that's the whole point of this video. We're going to talk to you all about how to start planning your outdoor living space. It all starts, to me, from inside your house, where you are right now. So where are you? You might be in your living room. You might even be in your kitchen on a device. So just take a look outside. What do you see? You might see that lawn. You might see a deck. You might see something that is not attractive. But I want you to see something that's going to pull you outside and get you enjoying that space. So what is it personally to you that will pull you outside from that view? Maybe it's a destination fire pit. Maybe it is a covered structure to get you outside. Maybe it's just a hard surface, but that's the plan, is we want to start from inside the house, from those sight lines. So that's the step one, is starting from inside the house, looking outside. And now let's go outside. Once you're outside, let's turn around and let's see some of the privacy issues that you might be having in your neighborhood. Maybe the neighbors are looking right down into your space. So that's okay, because that's the way it is right now in neighborhoods. But what we can do is start planning right now to protect some of those views and just conceal some of those sightlines from the neighbors. So that goes into the planning part. So think about that, and we'll talk more about what that means. And then, of course, what's your climate like? That's a big thing. Do you want to be out there during the summer, during the winter, all seasons? So start thinking about that, because that might limit us with what exactly we can do. So if you're in a snow climate, that's okay, but we want to be able to probably keep it close to the house and then probably conceal it with some walls. But if you're in a less cold climate, for more of a mild climate, what we can do is we can actually pull you out further from the house as a destination. So these are some of the things that we want to look and explore. We're going to show you a lot of information right now on some possibilities to help you plan your space. So you probably didn't realize how much goes into planning an outdoor living space, but you basically want to think of it as building a home. You really want to plan out what you're going to do in your space, what's important to you, what's important to your family, and then what might be important to things you don't even know about. So planning out the space is so important. But the next video we're going to talk about, if you just stay tuned here, is how to design your perfect backyard space. We're going to talk to you all about how to take these thoughts and planning and then turn those thoughts into a very well thought through design that you're going to be able to see, to make sure you love, and then you can start the next phase. So I want to say this, thank you so much for watching this video, and please stay tuned to the next video. And if you wouldn't mind just taking the time to subscribe below, that'd be very helpful. Also, of course, don't forget to like and click that bell notification. So hopefully this series is going to be a very helpful series for you. We look forward to it, and please, that's it. So that was a good opening, right?
That's great. I really loved it. Are you going to continue on the same one?
That was the good opening, right? So yeah, let's stop.
It's a good opening.